Today we're diving into the world of monster trucks with the LEGO Technic Monster Jam Megalodon building set. This 2-in-1 set is packed with exciting features and a unique pullback action, perfect for young builders and Monster Jam fans alike. The Megalodon truck comes with some really cool details like the sharp shark teeth, fins that move when you race it, and giant tires to give it that authentic monster truck look. LEGO has done a great job bringing the fierce look of this truck to life. One of the most exciting features is the pullback action. Just pull it back and let it go. This thing takes off like a real monster truck, handling jumps and rough terrain with ease. The pullback mechanism works smoothly, so kids can race and recreate their favorite Monster Jam tricks. But that's not all. This set is a 2-in-1 build. After you're done with the monster truck, you can rebuild it into the Lusca Low Racer. Inspired by mythical sea monsters, this low rider car combines the look of a shark and a squid, adding a whole new layer of play. With 260 pieces, this set is a fun challenge for kids 7 and up. The build is easy to follow thanks to clear instructions, and the pieces fit together seamlessly, so even younger builders can enjoy assembling it. It's a great introduction to engineering concepts, with moving parts and working mechanics. Once both models are built, you've got two awesome vehicles for playtime. Whether you're tearing it up with the Megalodon or speeding down the track with the Lusca Low Racer, there's plenty of action in store. The LEGO Technic Monster Jam Megalodon set is a must-have for any monster truck fan. It's packed with cool details, offers hours of building fun, and the pullback feature adds an extra level of excitement. The only small downside is that it could be a bit challenging for very young builders, but that's easily solved with a little help. Overall, it's a fantastic addition to any LEGO collection.